If you're looking for a quality builder in the DFW area and just want something a little bit different, I got something for you today that might just fit the bill. Khov Homes. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Scott Baxter, your local Dallas real estate agent, helping people just like you move to Texas every single day. I am in Heath Golf Yacht Club today, and today we're going to do a tour of Khov Homes. If you can't say that word, just say Khov for short. So it's the best way to say it. And we're in Heath Golf Yacht Club. They're going to be one of the many builders that are coming into Heath Golf Yacht Club bringing their best builds. And I just went through their model home and it looks really good. If you're looking for something different, all these houses, all these builders are looking the same. Khov Homes are going to be different. They have a little farmhouse classic series. They have a couple different types of houses that you can choose from. 2 stories, 1 story. And in here, it's going to be really interesting. Most of them are going to be 4-car garage, and most of them are going to be spec homes. So they're going to already pick out everything for you. So let's head out to see this model home. I'm starting off with the best place to live in DFW. Heath Golf Yacht Club is hands down my #1 choice. And let's go. Okay, what I'm going to do is end up with all the builds here for you. Here is the Frankfurt. This is 25 square feet, 1 story, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage, starting at $594,900. You have a couple different elevations we can do here. And this is a 1-story home. Really beautiful on the inside. Next is we have the Geneva, 2841 square feet, 1 story, 4 beds, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage. This looks like a tandem. And starting at $601,900. Beautiful inside. Love those vaulted ceilings. Next is the Munich, 35 square feet, 2 stories, 4 beds, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. This looks like a 3-car garage though. And in this neighborhood, once again, they're making all 4-car garages, so there's going to be some tandem garages in here. Starting price $636,900. Different elevation you can put on there. Okay, they will be building all of the houses out as spec homes, so they're going to choose all the designs and then sell the homes right after that, because they don't have that many lots going on in Heath Golf Yacht Club. The MyKonos is 3543 square feet, big family home, 2 stories, 4 beds, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, starting at $639,900. And the Rotterdam, 3691 square feet, 2 stories, 5 beds, 3.5 baths, 2-car garage, starting at $649,900. And last, the Stirling, 3,707 square feet, 2 stories, 5 beds, 4.5 baths, and 3-car garage, starting at $664,900. And they're going to have 1 quick move-in home available, the Rotterdam, and current is going to be April 2025 is going to be the finished completion date on that. And the total price all in will be $750,000. So that's pretty much what you're going to find here. You know, they start at a certain amount, but once they put all the design aspects and the lot and everything they have in it, usually going to probably be around $750 for the larger ones. Smaller ones will be less, obviously. If you want to go in and take a look at the model home, always go in represented. That's where I come in, and look me up, Scott Baxter, Realtor, and just contact me here right on the video, and we can go in and get you the best deal and make a smooth move to Texas for you. So until next time, guys, never stop chasing that dream home.